Okay, so here I have taken three cups, cup A, cup B and cup C. In cup A, I have taken ordinary tap water. In cup B, I have boiled the tap water for 1 minute. Okay, if you are doing this experiment at home, students, I would recommend you to do the boiling of water with the help of your mother. Don't do it yourself. Fine. In cup C, I have taken again the boiled tap water plus I have added cooking oil in it. You can see that cooking oil is floating on water and it has formed a layer on the surface of water. Okay, is it clear? Now children, you can also see that I have kept the 1 iron nail in front of the cups. What I will do is, I will immerse each iron nail into every cup. Okay, immerse the iron nail into the cup. Now what we are going to do is that we will leave this setup for about 1 week, and then after 1 week we will observe that what will happen to each iron nail. Okay children, so now I have taken out the iron nail from each cup after 1 week. So this is the iron nail which I have taken out from cup A. Okay, and I can see that it has changed after 1 week. And this is the iron nail which I have taken out from cup B. It has also changed. But children, this is the iron nail from cup C. And what I can see is that nothing has happened to it. It has not changed. Okay, so these are the observation of the iron nail after 1 week of the experiment. Fine students. So according to the observation which we just saw now in the experiment, after the experiment we saw that what was the condition of iron nail, we can actually make a observation table out of it. Yes, so in my cup A the condition was that I took tap water, okay, and the observation was that rusting of iron took place. In cup B I had boiled tap water, and the observation was that rusting of iron took place in this also. And in my cup number C, I took boiled water, that is boiled tap water plus cooking oil. And what was the observation of that? That no rusting took place. Okay, so this is the observation table that we can make after the experiment. Okay, after the observation that we saw of the experiment. So now let's proceed. Now children, we will actually try to find out the reason behind the observation, that actually that what happened, that what led to the rusting and what not led to the rusting in cup C. So let's start with the cup A. We know that in cup A, actually I have made this diagram, so we are going to understand the result and the reasoning behind the observation with the help of the diagram. All right, okay. So in cup A, what we took, we had water, a normal tap water and iron nail. Okay, so children, in cup A, what was there? Water was there and oxygen was also there. Yes, water was there since iron nail was present in the water, and oxygen was coming through the atmosphere. So due to the presence of both oxygen and water, rusting of iron nail took place. That is, ferric oxide was formed. And I have written the reaction also, that Fe plus O2 plus H2O gives Fe2O3, that is ferric oxide, and ferric oxide is the rust. Yes, so therefore since the presence of both oxygen and water was there in cup A, therefore rusting took place. Alright, now let's proceed to cup B. Alright, so in cup B children, I took boiled tap water. Okay, now what happened during boiling? We know that during boiling dissolved oxygen is removed. Okay, so now the iron nail was kept inside water. Water was very much there, but oxygen was not there in water. Okay, so what happened? Oxygen from the atmosphere entered into the water and reached the iron nail. Now in this case, both water and oxygen were present, okay, and therefore rusting took place. So during the initial time when the water was boiled, the dissolved oxygen was removed, okay, but after some time when the water got cooled, the oxygen from the atmosphere entered into the water and formed ferric oxide. Therefore, children, I have again written the reaction, that is Fe plus O2 plus H2O gives Fe2O3. Therefore, in cup B also rusting took place. Okay, initially there was no oxygen because oxygen was removed from water due to boiling, but after some time the oxygen entered from the atmosphere into the cup and reached the iron nail. Now again there was presence of both water and oxygen. Therefore, children, rusting took place in cup B. Alright, let us proceed to cup C. Okay, so this is my cup C. In cup C, what was the condition? We took boiled tap water, and one more additional thing was there, that we added a small amount of cooking oil. And we know that, children, that the density of cooking oil is less, therefore it actually floats on water and it forms a film like structure on the water, okay, above water. So now, children, what is actually happening in cup C? Water is present, yes, since the iron nail is kept in water, so water is very much present, but oxygen is not present, okay. The oxygen is not present in this condition. Why? Because we have boiled the water, and due to boiling of water, the dissolved oxygen was removed, okay. Now you would say that oxygen can enter through the atmosphere into the water. No, in cup C, oxygen cannot enter into the water from the atmosphere, children, because of the presence of cooking oil. Cooking oil forms a film and it acts as a barrier. It doesn't allow oxygen to enter from atmosphere into the water. Therefore, children, in cup C, so what is the condition now in cup C? That only water is present but no oxygen. Oxygen is not there, okay. Oxygen we have removed due to boiling, but oxygen is also not able to enter from the atmosphere into water due to the presence of the cooking oil. Therefore, children, in cup C, iron nail is there, water is there, but no oxygen is there. Therefore, I have written the reaction like this, that Fe plus H2O plus no O2. I have crossed the O2. No reaction will take place and no rust is formed. Therefore, we saw, children, that the iron nail which was kept in cup C was not rusted because oxygen was not there. Okay. H2O was there but oxygen was not there. Therefore, children, through this activity we learn that both water and oxygen are essential for rusting. Absence of any one would not cause rusting. If one thing is not there, okay, if one condition is not there, then rusting would not take place. Therefore, through this activity we actually prove that the presence of both water and oxygen is essential for rusting of iron to take place.